will discuss about blood grouping. In blood grouping, we will talk about Landsteiner's law, ABO and Rh blood group system. First of all, Landsteiner's law is only applicable to the ABO system, and it states that when a particular antigen is present over the RBC membrane, the corresponding antibody will be absent from the plasma. We'll discuss it later, and exception to it is Rh blood group system. Now about the ABO system, antigens here are located at the RBC membrane. You can see in this table, if the person is having A blood group, there will be presence of A antigen and anti-B antibody will be there in the plasma. That is in accordance with the Landsteiner's law and will be agglutinated by anti-A anti-sera. Similarly, for B blood group, antigen B will be there and it will be agglutinated by anti-B and anti-A will be present in the plasma. If a person will be having AB blood group, both antigens will be there, no antibody will be there in the plasma and it will be agglutinated by anti-E and anti-B anti-sera. Lastly, if a person is having O blood group, no antigens will be there, both the antibodies will be present, anti-E and anti-B. You can see the genotypes of all the blood groups here. So again, a representation of antigens for a particular blood group and antibodies. You can see here. Now about the inheritance pattern. Okay, so the ABO blood group system, the pattern of inheritance is Mendelian dominant. As you can see here, if a father is having A blood group and mother is having B blood group with a particular genotype that is mentioned over here, there is 25% probability of inheritance of each of the blood group system. About the Rh system, Rh, it has got its name from rhesus monkey because it was first found on the RBCs of rhesus monkey. Antibodies of the system, they can cross the placenta. And over 85% of the population in India is Rh positive, rest 15% are Rh negative. Pattern of inheritance, it is by the dominant D gene as you can see in this table. So this figure describes the pattern of inheritance. If the father is Rh positive by genotype, heterozygous, mother is also positive by heterozygous genotype, there is 25% probability of each dominant and recessive gene being homozygous and 50% probability of having heterozygous pattern in the next generation. Thank you so much. In the next video, we'll talk about the clinical applications and the determinants of blood group system.